Alright guys, it's Lewis. I'm just gonna do a quick bike check. Alright, I'll start at the top. I got Colt grips. I love them. They're so comfortable. I got Fit bars. I got a Stollen stem. Alright, I'll go to the frame. I got a Colt frame. Demolition seat. Demolition pedals. Demolition cranks. No demolition pedal. I got a Shadow conspiracy chain. I got a Stollen sprocket. I got Animal pegs. They slide awesome. I love them. I got another Animal peg red. Then I go on my rim. I got a Stollen rim. Animal Tom White walls. Some dice cap. I have no idea what it's called. Valve cap. The same setup in the back. Animal Edwin White walls with Stollen rims. The hub Stollen. Front hub Stollen. I got my fork is Stollen. My seat post is an Animal red one. Yeah, and my bike weighs about 23.6 pounds. And yeah, that's my bike. Alright, bye. Oh, and subscribe.